Hello, welcome to White Threads FlossTube number 61. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you did. You can do that by clicking the subscribe button on YouTube, and what that means is that YouTube will alert you to when there are new videos that come up. The other thing is that it lets YouTube know that this is a popular channel and that they should show it to more people, which means that more people will get to benefit from the things that I have to explain and teach and all that sort of thing. So I would really love it if you could do that. Another way that you can also signal to YouTube that it's popular is by commenting and liking. So there are ways that you can help me while I help you. So thanks so much for joining me today. Today I just have a very quick little, well, basically an announcement. No, it's not about the book, I'm sorry about that. In my spare time recently, like when I'm sitting down in the evening and I just need to relax, I've been doing some very small embroideries, nothing large. Small means that you can feel like you're getting it done quickly. And I've been putting them into little pendants. So I have quite a collection of little ones. So they're in all different colors and all different designs. And here's some more here. And what I'm doing is I'm making them available for people to purchase as is, made up. So you know that I've had the little pendant kits for a while, which comes with the pendant tray, which is this. It comes with the cardboard to mount onto and the chain, and then it's also got adhesive so that you can stick it all together, and they come with instructions of how to put it all together. And what it means is that you can do your own embroidery and mount that into your pendant. So I've had them for ages and I still have them, and so you're very welcome to make your own pendants, but I thought there might be some people who would really like a hand embroidered gift to give to someone at Christmas, or to give themselves, or to give for a birthday. And I thought, well, I'm doing all these, maybe you might like to benefit from them. So I'm going to be putting them up on my website for sale. I will put a link so that you can get to that easily. And I'll probably do more and add more over time. They are one-off designs. They are usually, well, they're stitched in either silk or cotton on linen fabric, and they would make a lovely gift. Now, in terms of posting and Christmas and deadlines, we won't make it, if you're buying from outside of Australia, it won't make it to you in time for Christmas, but it might be suitable for a birthday gift or a Mother's Day or something rather like that. If you're within Australia, the guidelines are that Australia Post can take parcel post deliveries in time for Christmas delivery up till the 12th of December. So we've got a week and a half left. If you want to be safe rather than sorry, then I would order as soon as possible. Because there's only one of each of these once it's sold, obviously that's gone. So yeah, they're not going to be there forever, and they'll come packaged like this. It's got the information on the back saying it's 50 centimetre chain with a 20-inch chain. It's got a pendant tray and chain, and they are silver colour, zinc alloy, lead free and nickel free, and I think that's important to some people, so that's why I've put it on there. So it comes all nicely packaged, and it says it's an original creation by Yvette Stanton. So I encourage you, you're very welcome to make use of them, but you're also very welcome to make use of my little kits so that you can make your own. I do have also some they're kits that have got the design and the thread in it as well. So I'll put a link to each of these things so that you can find your way there and make some good choices. So thanks very much for joining me today. I hope that you've enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye.